How to add a clickable link in Instagram bio. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually add a clickable link in Instagram bio. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, what we want to do is simply make sure we have updated the Instagram app to the latest version. If you haven't updated it already, you can head over to your device's app store. In the search box, you can simply type in Instagram and then check whether the Instagram app has an update available. If it does have an update available, then go ahead and simply update the application first. And after we have actually updated Instagram, I'm going to simply open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you're actually logged into your account. So make sure that you're actually logged into your Instagram account. Now what you want to do is, after you open Instagram right over here, from the bottom right hand side of the menu, you will simply be able to see your profile icon or your profile picture. What you can do is simply tap on your profile picture right over here. Once you tap on your profile picture, you can see I have currently added a link to my bio or this website right over here, which is actually clickable. So if it is highlighted in blue, then it means that the link is clickable. If it isn't highlighted in blue, remember that it isn't clickable. Now you want to understand that, let's say you actually added a link to any one of these posts right over here. It is actually not clickable on Instagram posts, because Instagram allows you to only actually add one clickable link, and that is on your Instagram bio. So there is no other way to actually add it on your Instagram post. We only have to add it to our bio. So in order to add it to our bio, what you can do is, here at the top of the screen you'll be able to find a button that says edit profile. So go ahead and simply tap on the edit profile button. As you tap on edit profile, we'll be taken to this page right over here. Now here what you want to do is, here you'll be able to find a section that says website. So right here you can see this section right over here, which is website. This is the link which I have actually already added. So what I can do is simply tap on it and then go ahead and edit this, or then copy and paste the link which we actually want to add. And once you've actually added the link, what you can do is, on the top right hand side of the screen you'll be able to see this check button. You can simply tap on this check button in order to go ahead and save the changes. Now I'm going to show you, if I tap on this link right over here, you can see that it is actually clickable, and it will open up in a new window, as you can see right over here. So this was the way on how you can very easily add a clickable link on your Instagram bio. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.